Hello and welcome back to your Elvis Uke Challenge, where we're taking the whole month to learn Elvis Presley songs and practice our ukulele a lot more. Today we're learning how to play Blue Christmas, and for this one you'll need chord C, G, G7, C7, F, and D. So here the most challenging chord is the D chord. So make sure you bring the hand, have it play from the top of the headstock, have those fingers have their own space. It helps to play it with middle ring and pinky as well, so that all the fingers fit. Because if you try to make the fingers parallel to the fretboard and try to use your bigger fingers, it's just much more difficult to play. For this one, you have several options with the strumming pattern. You can do a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like this. Or you can do a down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And our singing note for this is our G string. I have low G strings on this ukulele just because I wanted that low sound, but you can play with high G. Strumming pattern to sound devastated, right, because of the lyrics of the song. So let's look at verse 1. Verse 1 and verse 2 have the same chord sequence and pattern. So first we'll play C. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and play that again. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then we have two G's. 1, 2, G, go. Two G7s. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 3, and 4. And then we slide back to a C. 1, 2, ready, go. And play that again. Yeah. So that's the entire chord progression for the first verse. Nothing too scary, right? So let's try to play it all together. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, ready, C. 1, 2, and 3. Again. To switch to G. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. G7 now. Back to C now. Yeah. Okay, next we're going to our chorus, and for that we'll need C7. Again, another 4 beats of C7, then F. F again, then D, F, D again, and I'm getting distracted. G7 for a strumming pattern, and we'll end the chorus on one strum of G. Okay, Kit Kat, hi, yes, we love you. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so let's do, she did not like how I pet her. She shook that one off. Okay, I'll be more gentle. She's so picky. Okay, let's try the chorus. So 2 C7s, 2 Fs, 2 Ds, 1 G7, 1 G. And that G is a single strum. Do you want to sing along? Here we go. 1, 2. The chorus, C7, ready, go. C7, again. F chord, D chord, G7 now. One strum, 2, 3, 4, and then you would go back into a verse. So we know the verse, we know the chorus, then the same thing happens again, so verse, chorus. Now if you have the printable, please grab the printable, it's free. I don't ask for emails or any kind of information, there's no catch. It's just a link to the Google document. I have listed an instrumental break. I didn't know what to call that section, but if you listen to the recording, it has like, you can sing oohs or lahs following the melody of a verse. So, let me see. Ooh, So that's how that section goes. Or if you wanted to speak during that, or if you have an instrumentalist that you're playing with and they want to take a solo, that's a perfect place to add a solo. And then the whole song ends with a chorus, basically. So let's try the final chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, C7. Again, that enough. Okay, here we go to a D. So that switches faster than the other choruses. And then we end with G7, G7, then C, C again. And if it's optional here, you can add the cheesy G7C if you want to. I only added that there as an option. So let's practice that final chorus again, because we have that fast switch from F to D, and that can catch us off guard, okay? My accent is trying to come out a little bit more. I'm a little under the weather. And usually when I make these videos, I try to speak very clearly and to try to have a very neutral accent. But when I'm sick, it's much more difficult. All right, let's try a final chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C7, good, F, D, G7, 7, C, C. Okay, just for fun, let's do a playthrough of the verse and chorus. And if you like a full play along from beginning to end with me playing this saxophone right here and the ukulele, sign up for my Patreon community. And we also plan meetups, and we have live lessons via Zoom on Wednesdays for ukulele, guitar on Thursdays. And there's more PDFs there that I don't share anywhere else. All right, let's do this. Let's do verse 1 and chorus 1. Okay, here we go. I can sing the verse. On the chorus, I don't know why my voice just loses the pitch. Here we go. Okay, verse 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Christmas without you. About you, decorations of a green Christmas tree won't be the same thing if you're not here with me. And when those... Oh, I lost it. I was off. Ignore that. I did much better on saxophone. But anyway, hopefully that little play along helped you to put it all together. And hopefully you're enjoying this challenge so far. I do have a Christmas challenge that we've done a few years back. So if you're feeling in a Christmassy mood and want to learn a lot more Christmas songs, and there's a PDF to go along with that, I'm going to link that Christmas challenge down below. And the goal here this year, 2023, is to make a guitar Christmas challenge. So I'm hoping that I get the courage to do it. I'm still a little bit shy with the guitar content because the guitar community is very different than the ukulele community in their comments section. So I get a little bit like, yeah, I have to mentally prepare myself when I do guitar videos. But anyway, I hope that you're enjoying this so far. I'm having a lot of fun. And Kit Kat just stole the show today. Alrighty, take care and see you soon. Ciao!